In this video, we'll talk about Java module. Java 9 introduced an abstraction layer on top of the packages which is known as Java Platform Module System. JDK itself is modularized now and it is divided into more than 90 separate modules. Java module use is still optional, but it is a good practice as JDK itself is modularized now. In order to look at all those modules which are available in Java now, you can enter the command on the command prompt, and the command is java-list-modules, and it will give you all those modules which are available in Java. So you can see that java-base, this is a module, java-compiler, java data transfer, java.desktop. So these are all the modules which are now available in Java. Modular JDK advantage. Increased security. With the modulation, modules can explicitly expose some of the packages, strongly encapsulate other packages. There are so many internal implementation of JDK which does not need to be exposed outside. Reduce footprint. You can now only include the necessary module which will reduce the footprint of your application. Easy deprecation. Deprecation is easy with the modular system. The incubator module can be released, and if it is stable, they can be converted to the next major release. What is Java module? It is a mechanism to package your Java application and packages into Java modules. A module can specify which packages should be visible to other module. A Java module also needs to specify which other Java modules are required to do its function. Now in the next section, we'll look at the example of creating application using Java modules and then packaging them into Java modules using IntelliJ.